Hey guys, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and that notify button. And here is your new video. So hey guys, here's a quick video on how to get hard baked on or caked on crap off your exhaust. First thing you need to do is you need to warm up your bike. Get it nice and hot, okay? And get yourself some Easy Off heavy duty oven cleaner. All right, and shake the can real good. You can see I had already sprayed it once, but I want to give it another quick spray. You see how it's already coming off? So you use nice wet sponge, and you can hear it sizzling. Look at that shit. Got a little bit of. Ow, that's hot. Yeah, be careful, because this shit is really hot, guys. Look at how shiny that is now. So I'm gonna do the whole thing, try to get this shit off. Alright, then I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. I just finished spraying the whole thing. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna use a sponge again and wipe this down and see what it looks like after. So there you have it, guys. That's how you get that crap off your exhaust. Anything that's melted on your exhaust, that's how you